the toy pack!
Hey guys, welcome to Toy Park. Today we're going to review these surprise eggs, 2 of them, as well as 2 bags of Princess Sofia toys. I can't wait to play with them right now. Let's start opening them up right now. We start with this one. As you can see, we can use a penguin. Let's open it up and play with it. Oh, finally! Isn't it cute? It's a penguin. And besides, it's a mechanical one. It can walk. Let's wind it. Oh, so cute! It's very funny. Okay, let's open up our second surprise egg. Here we got a very pretty flyer. As you can see, it's also a penguin. And here we got a penguin. See? It has a spring underneath, so that's why it can move. See? It's moving sideways. And next, let's play with our 2 princesses. Princess Sofia, number 1. Here is our Princess Sofia. She looks very pretty in her violet dress. It's a sparkling dress. She wears a necklace, a tiara. Let's turn her around. She looks absolutely elegant and very pretty. Let's see what accessories we have for her. Oh, here we got a purse. Oh, here we got a mirror. Here you can see Princess Sofia. For our next toy, let's open it up to see what accessories we have also. Oh, here we got another princess. It's Princess Hildegard, friend of Princess Sofia. She looks very beautiful in her green dress. She has long black hair and a pretty ribbon here. She also got an accessory mirror What else we got? It's a fun. That she will carry around when she go out. The princess looks so pretty in their dresses. They are having their dancing class soon. So let's dance. Oh, shh. I love dancing. They dance and dance and dance. It's been a wonderful day dancing with you. I enjoy it. Thanks. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye.